Things for the baby. For the baby. That's for your baby. Very, very soon. Very, very soon, actually. Anyway, I just ate lots of cakes and chocolates last Christmas. That's why my
What date is it today then?
So today it's 30th of December. 30th of December, and then tomorrow we'll get back to the hospital for the checkup. Very soon.